Hello students, my name is Maitreyi Desai. I'm going to be your Algebra 2 teacher for quarter 1 and quarter 3.
And I'm Susan Rose, and I also will be an Algebra 2 teacher for quarter 2 and quarter 4.
So this year we are going to implement comprehensive distance learning module. That means students will be learning synchronously and asynchronously. Synchronous learning is when teachers deliver instruction in real time, and asynchronous learning is when students will watch pre-recorded videos and work independently. However, all teachers will have office hours, and students will be given more information during their class on how to contact a teacher during office hours to get either help in small group settings or on one-on-one basis. Miss Rose.
Okay, so the morning schedule is when you can reliably contact your teachers in real time. So they will each have a synchronous learning. We'll each have a synchronous learning period where we will teach instructions, sometimes in breakout groups, sometimes individually direct instruction. It will vary from teacher to teacher and class to class. And then office hours are there for students to sign up for and families to sign up for if they want to meet with that teacher that goes with that period. So we will have sign up method for our individual classes, and we'll be sure to communicate that with you. And there's also a office hours on Wednesdays that all your teachers will be available, including us. So that's another time that you can sign up for, and that is a full hour. So you can sign up and come in and make meetings, and we'll talk about that again individually. All right, Ms. Desai.
The second half of the day looks slightly different because in starting from 12:15 to 3:45, students will be working independently. They may watch pre-recorded videos, or they may work on any homework assignments. Um, and this is also going to vary from teacher to teacher. And as Ms. Rose said before, individual teachers will let students know what this learning or what these assignments are going to look like. Ms. Rose.
Okay, so when you're getting ready, this is a big change for everybody. So it would be great if you could just set up, make sure that you can sign into your NCLAC account if you're a student. And if you're a parent, make sure you can access Synergy, and also if students can access Synergy, and just make a space in your home. It doesn't have to be a separate room. You can be in a closet or a kitchen or anywhere that you feel that you can have a learning space that works for you. And just bring a notebook, bring a pencil, and we'll talk about what the class needs when we're all together. So don't worry too much about that. Just try to make a space for yourself as best you can, and everyone's going to be flexible and understanding. So again, just do the best you can. We're all going to figure this out as we go. Ms. Desai?
Yeah. So like Ms. Rose said, don't worry about it. We are all in this together, and I know a lot of you will be worried about grades. So there are some basic guidelines that we teachers will give to all our individual classes. Some of the most important things that you need to keep in mind is that we will be using Khan Academy for the majority of assessments. And students don't need to watch Khan Academy videos, but they are a pretty good supplemental resource in addition to teacher posted videos. Um, Students will be able to access teacher videos and assignments on Google Classroom, and students are also expected to take notes during synchronous learning. Remember that students' grades are posted on Synergy, and Synergy will reflect the actual class grade. So please remember that if you want to check what your current grade is, use Synergy. Ms. Rose.
Okay, so Khan Academy does have video lessons. They are there if at any time of day, 24/7. But we wanted it with Algebra 2 a consistent and reliable way for students to get help at any time in the day for any of the problems they do, or any time at night when we as teachers, Ms. Tsai and I, may not be available. So there are many supplementary materials there. Of course, we will be teaching the material in real time during the synchronous time and taping those lessons for the asynchronous time, but we may not be enough for everybody, and we want to make sure that everybody has access 24/7 to all the material. Additionally, the reason we're doing the assessments through Khan Academy is because students will be able to retake practices, quizzes, and tests more than once if they want to improve their score. And we'll talk more in detail as an individual class about how this will work, but parents can also set up a Khan Academy and then put their child's account under their account, or you can just get the Khan Academy login from your child and you'll be able to see their progress with very specific skills that they may need more help with or that they have already mastered. But everything we're going to do will meet the district scope and sequence. So your child will be getting a Algebra 2 education, and we will be teaching it in real live time. So this is just a way for us to make sure that there's consistency and predictability for everybody. And we thought this would be the best way to do that. So again, the teaching will come from us, but Khan Academy will provide a nice, stable, and consistent platform for parents and for teachers and for students in terms of practices, quizzes, and tests. Okay, Ms. Desai.
Yeah. Once again, please know that we are here to help you. You can see our email addresses on the screen here in front of you. You can also find our email addresses on the Milwaukee and Ma website. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions or concern. Also, on your screen, you can see the information on additional support. For example, tech support. If your Chromebook's not working, something's not right, then you can definitely call the phone that you see on the screen. Also, there are also options available for social services in case you need any assistance with food, housing, or health. You can find these resources on MHS and Ma website, and all, or you can call the front office and they will guide you in the right direction. And if you have any questions, we can take the questions now. Miss Rose.
And so, yep, so we'll be showing this for our question and answer live time, probably. If there's technical problems, this will be all you'll see. But if not, we will have a question and answer time after this. But again, feel free to email us if this technological presentation doesn't work. You can email us individually, but we will be in contact with you and your child before school starts. So, don't feel that it's absolutely necessary unless you have some questions. We're happy to help and look forward to seeing you soon.
Thank you.
Thank you.